In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Notion Mailbox. Whether you're using it for personal use or within your workspace, accessing your Notion Mail is a simple and straightforward process. So, let's dive right in and get you set up. First, you'll want to start by opening Notion Mail. You can do this either through your web browser or by launching the Notion Mail desktop or mobile app, provided you have it installed on your device. Whichever method you choose, make sure you have a stable internet connection to ensure a smooth and fast login experience. Once you have Notion Mail open, the next important step is signing in. You'll need to log in using the same Google account, meaning it could be either a Gmail or Google Workspace account that is associated with your Notion account. It's essential to use the correct email account because Notion Mail currently only supports Google accounts, so double check to make sure you're entering the correct Google credentials. If you've entered your information correctly, you should be able to sign in without any issues. Just click the sign in button and voila, your mailbox should open automatically. This is your central hub within Notion for all things email related, and you'll notice a few key features right away. Upon entering your Notion mailbox, your screen will be organized into a few distinct sections. To the left of your screen, you'll find the sidebar. This is where you can navigate through your different email folders, such as your inbox, sent items, and drafts. If you've taken the time to create any custom views, those will appear here too. This sidebar is designed to help you keep everything organized and at your fingertips, making it easy and efficient to manage your emails. Feel free to explore these folders to get familiar with how you can access and manage your emails. The inbox is where new messages will appear, while sent will naturally contain emails you've dispatched. Your draft section is especially useful for storing those emails you aren't quite ready to send and might want to tweak or edit a bit later. It's worth mentioning that getting to know these sections will ultimately streamline your email management process. So take a few moments, if needed, to click around and familiarize yourself with where everything is. This way, you'll feel right at home each time you log into your Notion mailbox. And that's it. You're all set up. Opening and accessing your Notion Mail is that simple. Whether you need it for quick checks or intensive email management, you're now equipped to handle your emails efficiently. Thanks for joining in, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with your Notion mailbox.